nsogbu. Chineke nna. Ewo. Friends International School and Career College Owerri. Hey! Lekweye. France International School and Career College Owerri. Cisco, education that empowers. Hey! This is my school. This is my school. Here I go. Here I learn. Wow! Let me move to the school immediately. They must enroll me. All right, my people. I told us before that I will keep on bringing good news to your doorstep. France International School, Ebano, one of the best schools so far right now in Owerri. Check out our offers. Check this out. Check out. Oh, wow. France International School and Career College. Ebano Kita. If you are in Owerri and you are not identified with this school, oh man, you are in a long thing.